In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Jotform Inbox. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then log in to your account. From My Workspace, select My Forms. Find the form you want to manage. Then click Inbox on the right side of the form. If prompted, click Open Inbox to access your form submissions. Browse through your submissions and click any submission to view its full details. To organize your submissions, click Add Tag and assign tags that fit your workflow. If you want to leave notes or collaborate with your team, click Add Comment and enter your message. To respond directly to a submitter, click Reply and send your email from within Jotform. If you need to share a submission with someone else, click Forward and send it to your teammate. That's how to use Jotform Inbox. Thanks for watching.